Hello, I am B-Bomb, and I will be making a game in an hour, and this is just the raw footage of it, so that you can see that I've done it correctly. I have a stopwatch here, I have a timer here, which I should set to 59 minutes, so I have a little bit of time, not 59 hours, 59 minutes, and I'm going to start it so that everyone will be able to see that I did not cheat anything, and I'll go, I guess. So also, I forgot to mention, just while Visual Studio is booting up, I do have the post-processing package already pre-installed, just so that it's easier and I don't have to waste time doing that, because I do have pretty slow internet. just creating a camera move system that's practically the exact same as the player system. So I'm just gonna copy it, but then remove all of the mouse stuff. And I'm gonna want the speed to be the same. It's not the best method, but it's the quickest one I could think of. I forgot to say I am making this game. Yep, the camera's moving. See on the scene. I'm gonna make this game. It's kind of like a mobile game, and the mouse or the finger position controls where the player will be, and it will go forward at a constant speed that will get faster and faster as you get more points, and that's how we'll get more and more stuff. So I'm gonna open up Pixlr E, which is just the best choice that I am going to Square. No, I'm just gonna use Pixlr. This is too slow. I need to go faster. New drawing. 100, new drawing. Okay, good. New drawing. Okay. But that's not 100 or 100. That's not the size I chose. Gah. Wasting valuable time. Here. 39 minutes in. File. New. 100 or just 10. 10. New drawing. I'm just setting up a spawn manager here so that it can be infinite and not lose. So now if I want to make a chunk, so the chunk would be create empty, call it chunk, and so every chunk is gonna have to have this guy, and this guy will be the chunk for this guy. Boom, boom. So chunk should pivot, so the pivot's here. So default first chunk, and then I'm gonna want to move the player and the main camera back. Actually, no, that wouldn't matter. Add component box collider 2D is trigger script spawner of chunks. Chunk. So first chunk. If I put it here. Edit box collider 2D. Next chunk. Next chunk pose. Put it about here. Where would it spawn? Next chunk pose. Next chunk. Okay, so that's a bit too far up. So we're gonna want this to be at 0, to be a bit farther. This to be about there. Okay, almost. What if we just chunk 0, 0, 0. So I want it so that these two guys are centered. So make one of them, make that 0. This guy 0. Chunk the center. Hey. Chunk good. Next chunk should be at 0y. This guy should be also at 0y. Okay, so We are nearing the halfway mark. I think I've got some good progress here. I don't know what color would be good. Maybe like a grayish, maybe like a sky blue. Like that. I want to make this text black. I'm not gonna make. Let's see. So now I want different chunks. So the chunk is all set up. So now I'm gonna make one that's like a bit closer with another one. Perfect. And next chunk pose can be a bit over. And Control D. Let's make one with a bit of turning. So just a bit of an same angle. And then this can be a bit closer. Good, now we're gonna want this guy. Array. Next chunk. Int rand equals random dot range 0 and length round. So then in chunk 1, for example, need to lock the inspector, get all of these guys from the next chunk. Go to this guy, lock this. Got all of these guys. Oh, the mega. Here, lock the inspector, and then get all of these guys. Now for a quick test. I think everything's looking pretty good. This guy. Lock the inspector, get these guys into here. Okay, so this guy, perfect. This guy, perfect. This guy, nice. This guy. Next. Okay, wait. This guy. Oh. Next chunk. Don't know why that wouldn't work, but. Okay, so now, file save. I'm going to want barricades on the top and the bottom at 90 degrees of rotation. Hey. Oh, crap. Okay, so 90 degrees. I'm gonna want to prevent. That. Copy. Paste. Paste. Okay, and then paste. So that's what they'd be. Let me just move the barrier. -8. -8, so 8. Copy. Paste. Paste. Now it looks weird. It's just how it is. Delete. Paste. So this should have a good occlusion. Okay, so the goal, getting through. I think it looks pretty nice now, actually. And why did that not work? Next chunk of spawn. Chunks has not been assigned. So the range. So next chunk rand 0. Don't work. Chunk 2. Or this time it's chunk 3. Oh, okay, so that makes sense. Don't know why it did that, but chunk 2. And chunk 1. I'm gonna turn off the mic now. I'm panicking a little. Public void. No. Isn't your .scene manager? Scene manager dot load scene. Get active scene. Build index. Should be good. Button man. Button. You get button man. On click. Button man. Button. Where is it? Okay, so button man. Reset scene. And then I also just want to construct it. I should start in the middle, so player. Okay, so Y7. Okay, 7, so now it's 0. So that's position less than 7. Vector 2 right 1 equals new vector 2 0 7 restraint 1 dot y. Wasn't it? If y was it 7 and -7. What? Oh crap. Good golly, 7 minutes. 7 more minutes and I'm in a panic. G. Okay, so why doesn't the player work? Oh, crap. I'm done. Got enough of a game here, I think. Okay, so that's worse. Else. Just kill that's fine. So now I want to do main camera and I want to do some post processing layer. I think post processing volume layer post process. I added the post process layer before accidentally, and I didn't know how to delete it, so I'll just wait here for a moment at the time. I'll just add a new layer so that it's not cheating. Post, I'll call it, because I don't want to cheat. Layer, post, new, layer, post, post. Let's add effect. Let's add some bloom. All. Does this need post? No. Why you no work? Oh, it's global. Okay, so that's bloom, I guess. So bloom. Don't do me no good. Remove. I don't know what post processings to add. So add a little vignette. Maybe like 0.1, 0.3, 0.2. I don't know. Add effect. Unity. Motion blur. I don't know. Does it look good? Okay, so shutter angle. Remove. What affects color grading? No. Is really. Zero. Temperature, zero, tint. Zero. This seems like a waste of time, so I'm not gonna do it anymore. Remove, I'm just gonna make more chunks. Okay, Control D. This one can be, kind of similar to chunk 3. Except you have to kind of squivel. There's no point to this. 50. 50. Negative 50. Like that. Good. Now I'm just gonna Control D. Let's go 0. Let's go. Yeah, sure. So you have to Control D. It's gonna be pretty difficult. I don't care really right now. I'm just trying to go fast. So this is chunk 3. This is chunk 4. Control D. I want one with 50. A negative 50, and then it kind of lines up. And then one of these, but then make it smaller. Not that way, this way. Negative 50. Just want to add some variety here. Okay, so now chunk 5, chunk 4. Why do I keep doing that? But whatever. So new chunk. lock. Actually, no, coal lock. Make this 6. Actually, just make it 0 and put all of them in. And then chunk 1. Actually, let's make some more chunks. Chunk 6. Let's just do a bit of a longer one. Go 0. How much time do I have left? Okay, so I don't. Okay, so I have about 1 minute. Don't want this to be all broken, so let's just go here, 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 here. Already did that. Here, 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 here to here, and to here, here. Frig. Okay. Okay, 30 seconds. If we just go to chunk 1 and do it, ones that we already have, it won't be perfect, but we'll at least have something. And okay. 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 Has it been 30 seconds? I'm just gonna say yes and whatever. Okay. Stop. The 3 seconds that was not there when I went, that was just 3 seconds. So that doesn't count, I guess. So file, save, can't do anything else. I'm just gonna look. So here I've got chunks upon chunks upon chunks. Hope nothing failed. This one just has a bunch of chunks, but I guess that won't matter. It'll just have double the odds of doing one. Oh, the other one, it spawns. This one has a bunch of chunks as well. This one, it doesn't have all the chunks, but at least it'll spawn something. So let's just test. So, frig. What went wrong here? What went wrong? This should work. It's resetting the scene. What's setting it to 0? This all works. This should work. Camera moves and player. So what's wrong with it then? Yeah. Okay, so what the friggity diggity dig is wrong? So everything should, in theory, work. Which it appears to be. At least now. It's a bit inconsistent on loading stuff, but it should work. It's working. So now it doesn't increase speed anymore, it's going fast enough. I like that. Everything seems to be working good. I don't know what's wrong. So why does time not start? Well, I know that my time is up, and I know it seems like cheating, but I really want to have a working game. And it was in an hour, it just, the script didn't work or something, because it should set time back to normal. So I'm just going to set time dot time scale equals. Technically, it wasn't under an hour because there's a little problem there. But I think we can let that one slide and say it was made in under an hour. So thanks for watching. If you got all the way through this, then that's great. Wow, I can't believe it. Sorry that I technically failed. It was just a small error. I hope you can forgive me. I think I made a pretty alright game in under an hour. I feel like I could update this and make it a lot better in the future if I wanted to. And it's a fairly good starting point, I think, for later date. Alright, I guess. Thanks for watching.